Hi, I'm Dr. Jorge Peña in the Department of Communication, and today I would like to talk about interpersonal processes in online video games. Playing online video games can be a powerful social experience. Playing online games often requires competing against other players, but also entails cooperating with players in the same team. Because of this, interpersonal processes often emerge when playing online games. Online gaming refers to playing video games over a computer network. MUDs, MUDs, or multi-user dungeons are an early example of online video games. MUDs or MUDs are text-based multiplayer virtual worlds. They are worlds made out of words, where players can communicate only using text messages and by sending emoticons like a smiley face or a frowny face, emotes like typing out a scripted action like Raul starts dancing, and linguistic conventions like, for example, BRB to mean that I'll be right back. Doom was also an online gaming milestone as it featured competitive network play and also allowed players to modify the game and create new game content. This facilitated the rise of communities of network players that would meet up in LAN parties and play against each other, but also the rise of network communities of gamers that were dedicated to modifying the game and create new maps. Nowadays, people play real-time online strategy games like, for example, StarCraft 2 and League of Legends, which are games that are more competitive in nature. People also play massive multiplayer online games or MMOs that feature a large graphical virtual world that is populated by players' avatars or characters that self-represent the user graphically as having some sort of elf body or an orc body. And also, these MMOs are populated by computer-controlled agents that would provide quests to gamers and also provide with information about the game's back narrative. There are four main types of interpersonal communication processes in online games, according to Klimt and Hartman in 2008. First, I'm going to talk about encounters with unacquainted human players. Then, I want to talk about intergroup communication among players that are organized in stable groups or clans. Third, I will talk about communication in existing social units within a game's main narrative, like, for example, people belonging to the elf or the orc faction, or people communicating as if they were part of the video game's version of NATO. Finally, I will talk about how online game interactions occur among people in pre-existing relationships, like, for example, playing online games with family members or friends or romantic partners.